Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we are doing a clean with me, and it's super exciting because it is with one of my friends, Jessica Tyler. She does a lot of videos on her channel, cleaning, decluttering, grocery hauls, what's for dinner. She's also a stay-at-home mom, so if you're a mama too, she does mommy videos as well. But I think y'all will love her. I'm going to leave her channel link down below, and while I'm cleaning, I'm going to be watching the what's for dinner and then just let it keep playing on our other videos. That's typically what I do when I'm cleaning as well. But yeah, I will leave her channel link down below. If you're coming over from Jessica's channel, hi. I do a lot of similar videos as she does. I am not a stay-at-home mom. I'm a fur mom, but so most of my videos are around cleaning, decorating, grocery hauls, grocery shopping with me, which y'all really loved, and just lifestyle content. So if you like videos like that, definitely hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, we are going to clean. And it may already look clean, I'm aware, but I promise you it's not. I picked up all the mess the other day, but I never I need to dust. It is bad. Let me show you a spot where it's getting bad. My air conditioner is on, but look, that's just one area of cobwebs. Y'all know that's been there for quite a while to already be dusty as well, but we got cobwebs I need to get up. I'm probably making y'all dizzy. The counters, I don't know if y'all can see. Let's see if we can get, I mean, you can see. They're bad. I do have a few dishes to do. And then, yeah, the counters are terrible. The stove, up close. People love the up close shots, so that's terrible. This is already got so much mess on it, so I need to wash this. And then everything just needs to be dusted. Everything needs to, I need to fold clothes. I've got these that I got from Goodwill, need to go in the wash. We got quite a bit of stuff to do. I need a vacuum. I'm trying to think of what else we need to do. That way, if I'm not chatting a lot in this video, you know what I'm doing. But yeah, we need to wipe down all the surfaces. So today is definitely a touch point type of cleaning day, if you know what I mean. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will take a break in a little bit and share the positive quote of the day. So if you're new here, definitely leave a positive quote that you really like, that gets you in a good mood. Share it down below. It's going to help a friend out, and I will possibly share it in the next video. So let's go ahead and tackle the house.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to do, what you like to do. us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself.
Okay, so I'm using Awesome Spray because I think I'm about out of all my cleaning products. Or they're just around the house. They're around the house, and you know what? I don't feel like going and getting them. So I'm using Awesome. And Awesome is a really good cleaning product, but it is so strong. If you're sensitive, but you want a good cleaner that's also budget friendly, Awesome is $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I'm sure you could get it other places, but it's $1 at the Dollar Tree, and it does a really good job cleaning. I don't know what else I was gonna say. Oh, but if you're sensitive and you still want to use it, just wear a mask because it could like upset your sinuses and stuff. But I was letting y'all know that I am taking everything off of the counters so that I can get a really good clean. I don't do this every time. I do this about every 2 weeks. Just in case you wanted to know. Also, it's because most of you know we get mice. And all of you gave me some really good tips. We're working on it. We have caught quite a few and gotten rid of them, so that's good. But I specifically move everything off the counters so that I can get behind, you know, where they like to hide. For some reason, I feel like if you have a mice problem and you move things around often, then they're less likely to want to nest because you're constantly moving stuff, so they don't know if they're going to be able to be safe there or not. So constantly move stuff if you have that problem.
For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
I think this is the cutest thing ever. I got it at Hobby Lobby. It says $24.99, but that day it was 40% off, so collab. Going there soon, because the last time I tried to go there, it was Sunday. And they're closed on Sunday. Oh, so annoying.
I know you won't let me down.
To sweep in the mop sweep and mop in the kitchen, and I'm using the Fabulosa. Why does this look like I want to drink it? Don't do that. This is not like, I feel like it's beautiful, it's super colorful, I love it, it's so fun, but this looks way too much like a juice. And that is not good. They need to change the bottle. Anyways, but we know better. We're not going to drink this. But we are going to use it to mop our floors. Okay, let's do this. Anyways, I've had coffee today. I have coffee every day. Who are we kidding? But gonna sweep and then mop, and then we can move on to another room. I thought this was gonna be such a short cleaning video, and it's totally not. It's not. Okay, I'm putting y'all on the floor. You're gonna see my legs for quite a while, and I put sparkly shoes on today, so thumbs up. Okay, anyways.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me, maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby.
Alright, kitchen is clean. I'm trying to like walk y'all in the living room, that way y'all can actually see the kitchen. Obviously that stuff's got to be put back on the table whenever my tablecloth is dry. I put my shoes, I'm barefoot right now because the floor's still wet, so I put my shoes back there because I don't like to walk back on the floor once it's mopped. Okay, so there we go. I got some cleaning products right there, but other than that, everything's cleaned up real nice. It took me about 30 minutes just to clean it. Y'all saw we didn't actually have to pick up anything aside from a few dishes, but just to clean the kitchen was 30 minutes. I haven't even wiped down the fridge or the deep freezer for another video. Anyway, so now I need to get in the laundry room and start a load of laundry.
I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for all you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me, maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night.
Alright, so that is all I'm going to get to today. There was a few more things I wanted to do today, but this is a collab, and so anytime I know there's going to be some new people coming, I like to keep the videos a little bit short so they can have time to watch it all. But I want to leave y'all with this. It's not so much a quote, but it's from one of my subscribers, and it is the funniest thing I've read. She said, "Our house is lived in. It's not for show. If you don't like the mess, you know where to go." I love that. It's all in good fun, by the way, y'all. Like, if your house is always, I'm exhausted. If your house is always spotless and that's how you like it to be, there is no shame in that at all. It is when people comment on people that make cleaning videos, or if you know you have a friend that comes over and your house is always messy and they have something to say about it. It's for those people. It's like the unsolicited opinions. Oh, which we get them all the time, but I'm starting to get used to them. And honestly, like, if you ever wanted to be a YouTuber, once you get to about, I'd say 300 subscribers, you will start getting at least one comment of somebody telling you something. But the only one that bothers me is when they say that my house is extremely cluttered, and I'm like, did we watch the same video? Like, I do have an office that has a bunch of stuff in it, but our house is like 900, it's a 14 by 70, it's under 1,000 square feet. I think it's like 960 square feet. It could be less than that. It's not that big. Like, it's huge for 2 people, but still, like, it's, when it comes to storage space, we don't have a pantry, we don't have extra closets, like a linen closet. Like, that's a luxury that people take for granted. We don't have a dishwasher, which is also a luxury in my opinion. Like, we don't have things that come in like a normal house. So our storage is in my office and also my second bathroom shower. Anyways, I'm rambling, but y'all, those comments crack me up. I'm rambling at this point, but I just felt like chatting. Oh well, we're gonna leave all that in there. I would have cut that out, but we're gonna leave it in. Also, that candle over there, the hibiscus waterfall, smells really good. It's not too strong. My battery is dying, which is letting me know that I need to get off, and I'm sure 80% of you have probably already left the video, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm sweaty. I'll see you back here in a day or two. Every other day, okay? And sometimes back to back. Bye.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?